Good morning, students. Once again, welcome back to the SST class. Dear students, already we are learning about the lesson water on the earth. Is it? In the previous class, we have started solving evaluate part. First part already we have solved, means that is part A, that is fill in the blanks. Already it is solved. Dear student, now I am going to solve part B, choose the correct answer. Okay. So first you copy it in the textbook, then you go to the notebook. Open page number 268 and in that you have to take down these answers. So first one is B. Choose the correct answer. So first one is the dash heats the water. The dash heats the water present in rivers, lakes, ponds and seas. Here options are fire, second option stars, third option moon, and fourth option sun. First I will go on writing the questions, then I will tell the answer. Number 2, the dash of Earth's surface covered with water. Dash of the earth's surface is covered with water. Options are 1/2, second option 1/4, third option 3/4, and fourth option 2/3. Okay, dear students, now question number 3. The water on the earth is present in dash natural forms. So options are first option 5, second option 3, third option 2, and next option 6. Yes. Number 4, dash is the gaseous form of water. Options are snow, second water vapor, C ice, and D drinking water. Yes, dear student, snow, water vapor, ice and drinking water. So which is the gaseous form of water we have to say. Now question number 5 is in very cold places, water is present in the form of dash. So again options are snow, second option water vapor, C option gas, and D option liquid. Yes dear student, open page number 268 and 269. Okay dear students. Dear students, now I will give the answer. The dash heats the water present in rivers, lakes, ponds and seas. Here options are fire, stars, moon, sun. So who heats the water here? The sun. You put a box for sun and you write the answer here. The sun heats the water present in the rivers, lakes, ponds and seas. Number 2 is the dash of the earth's surface is covered with water. Options are 1 by 2, 1 by 4, 3 by 4, 2 by 3. Option is 3 by 4, that is 3/4. 3/4 of the earth's surface is covered with water. Next dear students, third one, the water on the earth is present in dash natural forms. So 5, 3, 2, 6. Option is 3 natural forms. 3 natural forms. Number 4, dash is gaseous form of water, that is snow, water vapor, ice, drinking water. So which is the gaseous form of water? Answer is water vapor. Okay dear student. So water vapor is the gaseous form of water. Water vapor is the gaseous form of water. In very cold places, water is present in the form of snow, water vapor, gas, liquid. So correct answer is snow. Yes, dear student, in very cold places, water is available in the form of snow. Okay dear student, so these are the choose the correct options. So take down these all answers in your textbook first, then you copy it in the homework book. Okay dear student, now I will go for next, match the following. Yes dear student, now this is group C, match the following. Match the following. Here this is group A and this is group B. First one, water cycle. Second, water vapor. Number 3, rainwater. Number 4, rainwater harvesting. Rainwater harvesting. And number 5, water on earth. Yes dear student, now B, here purest form of water, collecting rainwater, water in the form of gas. Three quarters. Yes, dear student, one side the words have given and the answer clues have given in another side. So we will read it and match it correctly. Okay. Water cycle. So water cycle is, we will read the answers. Purest form of water, collecting rainwater, water in the form of gas, three quarters, causes rains. So here first one match to E. Water cycle causes rains. Water cycle causes rains. Next, water vapor. Water vapor is in the form of, water is in the form of gas. Then dear student, rainwater. This is the purest form of water. Next, fourth one, rainwater harvesting. Rainwater harvesting means collecting rainwater. Next, water on the earth is three quarters. Understand, dear student? So first one, water cycle, match to causes rains, water vapor, water in the form of gas, rainwater, purest form of water, rainwater harvesting, collecting rainwater, water on the earth is three quarters. Dear student, hope you all are understanding about this lesson and understanding the all evaluate part. Till here today I will stop. In the next class I will solve the next part. Thank you.